job. It's Lacey Budamax here, Oceanside Lawn Care and Landscape Repair. So today we figured we'd get the mulch done. We got it all prepped up. You saw the prep. This is our last phase. We broke this into 4 phases, and we could break it up over a period of time so it doesn't cost as much. All right, some people ask me, hey Buddha, what's up with the mulch? What's it for, and how much should I use when we put down, when we do a job? You see how this is real red still? If you come back over here, you'll see it's faded. This is about a month or 2 old. We broke this job up into about 4 months. So anyway, the amount of mulch you want is really 6 inches, because after a few weeks, it's gonna settle to the right amount that you want, which is 4 inches thick. So that's what we're looking for. All right, Lacey Budamax here with Oceanside Lawn Care and Landscape Repair, and we're going to wrap it up here for our Mulching 101. I hope everybody liked our little video. Remember, get it 6 inches, it'll turn into 4 inches in a couple weeks, and it'll last, and you won't have a lot of weed problems. Give us a call at 321-591-4919. Thanks again.